Hey guys, this is Mankpal from Gossipfunda, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make a custom emoji on your iPhone. So what is an Memoji? A Memoji is an animated form that you can use in place of emoji to send to your friends and family over iMessage. This is a specialized form of animated contacts that you can only send to your iMessage or Apple contacts. This can be used as profile icons or even used as special stickers that you can send over the iMessage. So how can you make this Memoji on your iPhone and how you can customize it? Before we start that, we have to tell you that the Memoji are only available on iOS 13 above phones, which means all the iPhones from above iPhone 6s can access the Memoji. To use the Memoji, it is important that you can customize your own Memoji and send them as stickers, and you can also backtrack them if you have a latest iPhone. Let us show you how you can make your own emoji. Go to the iMessage app of your iPhone. In the iMessage app, open contact with iMessage. Once you've entered the iMessage contact, click on the app button. This would show you all the app taskbars that are available for you to use. You can find different app options that you can use from here. Go ahead and click on the stickers option. This will show you all the emojis and animojis that are available on your iPhone. You can see this is my emoji that I'm using currently. There are multiple different sticker forms that you can send to the animoji. You can use them all on the iPhone itself. You can also use animojis instead of your face or emoji that you want to create. If you have a latest iPhone, you can create them directly on your iPhone. But as I have an iPhone with Touch ID sensor, then I'm going to click on this button and then I can either edit or a new Memoji. So what I'm going to do is add a new Memoji. You can change the skin color from here. You can easily add the hairstyles. You see, you can add different hairstyles that are available for your iPhone. You can even change small details like freckles, cheek blush, small things that will make you more human. You can add spots, everything else. Once you've made all the changes, hit done and your new emoji will be edited. You can send them as messages to easily send them on the emoji. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the Gossipfunda channel for more amazing content. And also check out the Gossipfunda website for more amazing content. Thank you.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.